the summer of love.
What's up everybody, Kestup here, and today I will show you how to make your PC run faster. So let's get started in this video. First of all, for doing this you have to always search on run. This command or this application is the best so to open these chunk files. So let's get started in this video. So first of all you have to open the application which is called run, and then after that you have to write temp and then press on OK, and then you have to click continue, as this application or this folder is from the administrator. So I have to select all of the folders over here by clicking Control plus A. After that you have to click on Shift Delete and click on yes, and these files can't be deleted, so you have to click on this, do this for all current items, and then skip this process, and then all the files will be completed. These files are in use, so these files can't be deleted. Then you have to go out of here, and then again you have to open run by pressing Windows key plus R, and then you have to click on percentage temp and then percentage and click on OK. Now you can see many folders like this, and again you have to do this similar step. So you have to go to select all, Control A, and then delete all by Shift Delete and click on yes. Every file from this folder has been deleted. So now what you're gonna do is again open run by Windows and R, and then write prefetch and then click OK, and after that again continue by administrator. Then click on Control A and then Shift Delete to permanently delete them and click on yes. Now to increase gaming or increase any data or increase any application performance by just clicking on Task Manager. So what you're gonna do is open Task Manager. So then you have to go to details and make sure you have done this show more details to go to details, and after that whatever application you are using, you can just set the priority by right clicking on them. Like I'm using Audacity for recording my voice, so I will just right click on that and set priority to high, so it will record much louder and clear back then, before the voice quality was bad, and now the voice quality should be good. So this was it guys. So now you can just make your PC run faster, and as you can see the CPU is giving more priority to Audacity by other applications. So thanks for watching guys, please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.